Hi, and welcome to this channel, a new video with Python. In today's video we will practice a little bit Python, so let's go. First we will do dictionary, so let's create file Dutch dictionary.py. Let's open it nano. Let's create a dictionary with cities, names and prices of let's say apartments. Dictionary is created with curly braces, and let's create, we give it a name, it is, then with curly braces, open close. First what we're gonna input is the name of the cities, that will be key, say Manila, and then we need a value, price. I will put this underscore that will not be visible when we print it to the screen. And so how to print it? You can go print, open close break, with a name, cities, and then square brackets. I'll put there, let's say Manila. Then print one more, open close brackets, cities, open close square brackets, let's say Peking. And now when we save the file, exit, and we print it, we're gonna see here 100k for Manila and 90k for Peking. As you can see, we do not have underscore anymore. When you print it, those underscores will not be shown. But here when you code with this, it helps to see when it's large numbers. Let's say here can be 100 millions. It's easier to see the number when it's like that. Let's extend a little bit more program. You can use for loop. Let's say name in cities dot items. So we're gonna look to items, each item, open close brackets. Make sure to indent, print. I will use F, open close braces, key that we have here, key, again open close braces, and the name. So what will this do? This will print a key. The key is this ones, Manila, Tokyo, Peking, and so on. And the name will extract the value of the Manila, of the Tokyo, Peking, and so on. It's gonna extract these numbers. Let's save it, exit, and let's print to the screen. As you can see it, we have here Manila with a value, Tokyo with a value, Peking with value, and Seoul. Thank you for checking this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.